Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure REST APIs in React Native with Axios, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure REST APIs in React Native using Axios, start by setting up your React Native environment. Make sure you have Node.js installed on your system. Next, install the React Native CLI by running the command npm install g React Native CLI. Create a new React Native project by executing npx React Native and your project name. Navigate into your project directory with cd your project name. Now, install Axios by running npm install Axios. After the installation, open your project in your preferred code editor. Locate the file where you want to implement API calls, typically a .js file in the src or components folder. Import Axios at the top of your file using Import Axios from Axios. To make your first API request, define an asynchronous function. Within that function, set your API endpoint URL as a variable. Use Axios to make a GET request by calling axios.get URL. Inside the .then method, handle the response. Store the data received from the response for use in your application. Implement error handling with a .catch block to manage any potential errors. To call your API function when the component mounts, use the useEffect hook provided by React. Import useEffect from React at the top of your file with import React useEffect from React. Call your API function inside the useEffect hook, ensuring it runs when the component is first rendered. Optionally, if you need to modify your API request, you can customize headers or params by passing an options object into the Axios call. For post requests, create a similar function using axios.post URL data. Pass your data in the second argument and handle the response just like in the GET request. Finally, test your application to ensure that the API calls are functioning as expected. Once everything is in place, you should be able to interact with your REST APIs seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.